welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to use the curvature tool to create illustrations fast and easy without the stress or struggle of using the pen tool for hours. Alright, let's get started. Curvature tool. To create a sharp corner, double click with a sharp corner, double click sharp corner, and that's how you create sharp corners with your curvature tool. To change that sharp corner to a curve, just double click on it back to a curve, double click to a sharp corner and add anchor points by hovering over the line. You see this plus sign, so just click once to add an anchor point. You can hover over the anchor point to change the direction or to move it. So once you see the icon changes to these dots, I don't know what it's called, but all you need to do is when it changes, just drag it. And that's it. You can still add as many anchor points as you want to. Hover over any anchor point to change the direction, then you drag, and that's that. To delete anchor points, go back to your toolbar. Here you see, just right click on it. There are a lot of tools, but the ones you need is this delete anchor point, so just click on it, then hover over any anchor point and click once, and that's that. Okay, let's go back to our curvature tool. Yeah, so you can add as many anchor points as you want. You can distort it. Okay, this is little more. You can distort it anyhow. Click, drag. To change it to a sharp corner, double click to a sharp corner, and that's that. Alright, to practice, we're going to be tracing over this image. I'm not really good in drawing from memory, so we're going to use this image as a reference. So what I'm going to do now is I want to reduce the opacity. Okay, yeah, then lock it. To lock an image, just right click on the image. Wait, oh god. Okay, let's pretend I didn't do that. To lock an image, just click on Ctrl+2. That's a shortcut. Hold down Ctrl or the command key on your PC or Mac, then press 2, the number 2 here, and that's it, it's locked. Okay, then let's grab our curvature tool. Okay, if you can remember, to create a curve, you click once. To create a sharp corner, you double click, but we don't need a sharp corner here. Just click once, create a curve. Then go to the other side. This is a curve. From here is a curve. Go to the other side of the curve and click once. Then go to the other side of the corner and click once. If you can see, okay, let me increase the stroke. If you can see now, we've created a smooth corner. So it's more easy than the pen tool. The pen tool is a different method inside. Okay, sorry. No more side talk, I promise. Okay, just click once. Then I want to, because this looks like, okay, it's not a sharp corner, it's a normal corner. Then click once. Click once. If you can remember, you can go back to arrange an anchor point, because this one is going off. Just hover over it. This icon appears. You can arrange it this way. You can go back and arrange it. You can add it, and that's that. Okay, let's continue. If you go to the other edge, click once. Go to the other edge, click once, and that's how you do it. You can arrange it like this by hovering over any anchor points. Arrange. You can add anchor points by hovering over the line and clicking once to add. You can still adjust it as much as you want. It gives you a lot of freedom to do whatever you want to do. Okay, let's click once. Okay, so I'm just clicking once and doing it. I think I should fast forward this. Click once and you're done. Voila, it's that simple. Okay, so we need to trace this one. Click once, drag, click once, drag. Okay, this is sharp corner. You double click for a sharp corner. Go to click once. It's that simple. It's a sharp corner, so you double click it to add anchor points. Yeah, ellipse tool, that's it. Circle tool, yeah. So all you need to do is just to click and drag it, arrange it, make the work easier and faster. Okay, then let's grab the curvature tool and arrange it the way we want. It's that simple. Control C to copy, then Control F to place in place. All right, then grab any corner, hold down the Shift key and the Alt key, or the Shift key and the Option key on Mac. Then just click and drag. We want to draw the second cycle of the curve, this edge here, and that's that. So we're done. Sorry about that. So we're done. So we don't, okay, here is looking somehow. Let's arrange it. Just grab back the curvature tool, click add an anchor point and arrange it, and you're done basically. So look better. Okay, so we don't need our reference image anymore. So to unlock it, hold down the Control key and the Alt key on PC, then click on Control 2 to unlock, or hold down the Control key. Is it a Control key or the Command key now? The Command key and the Option key on Mac, then click the number 2 to unlock. That's on Mac, and that's it. So our image is unlocked. All you need to do is delete it because we don't need it anymore. So delete, and there you have it. So to remove this unnecessary point, should I say line, just select everything, go back and select your shape builder tool, then hold down your Alt key and click on the line you want to delete. Okay, let me zoom it. You click on the line you want to delete holding down Alt key. As you can see, it's highlighted. If it's not highlighted, click on, if this anchor points are not showing on your PC, probably you've hidden them. So to unhide them, just click on Control H to unhide. All right, you hold down the Alt key and click once to delete it. Hold down the Alt key and click once. Alt key and delete once. Hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac and delete. And there you have it. You can still go back and arrange your points if it's not stable or if it's not good. Just override it and arrange it as you like. And that's that. Alright, let's add pricing. Alright, let's create a love icon. Should I say love shape? Click once for a sharp corner. Click once. Yeah, please don't laugh at me. I'm not good in drawing from memory, but I'll try. I'm trying to draw a love shape. Double click for a sharp corner. Oh God, thank you. think I okay, sorry. Alright, then double click face sharp corner. Oh my god. This is such a lovely love. Okay. Okay. That's the best. That's the best that I can do. Okay. Okay, let's color our cup. Should be yeah. Alright. To color it, highlight everything. Go to the shape video to right click it to bring out the other tools. So this is what we are going to be using, the live paint bucket. So click on it. There are different colors. To change the color, let me zoom. I don't know if you can see it. To change the color, decide the arrow key on your keyboard. Just click side to change color. So and click once to apply the color. Okay. Okay, click once to apply the color. And that's actually basically ugh, but how terrible. I think I prefer the white. And that's basically it. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Alright, thank you very much. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more tutorial on Illustrator Basics.